Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Fantastic Broadcast. In this video, I'll explain you about time travel at a basic level to make everyone understand. An American CIA agent, Edward Snowden, hacked highly classified document which belongs to NASA and posted it on the internet. That video is all about in 1947 an alien spaceship has crash landed at New Mexico. After knowing this, American military reached that place. In that spaceship, they found three aliens alive and named them EB1, EB2, and EB3. EB means extraterrestrial biological entities. They interviewed one EB among them. During the interview, they questioned, "Where did you come from?" They said, "Name of our planet is Earth, and we came here crossing thousands of light years from the future." You're saying that you came from the future, but you look like aliens? It means in future, you have occupied the earth by attacking and killing the human beings. Answering to that question, we are not aliens, we are also humans. We evolved from the humans in the way how humans evolved from apes. We are your revolutionary descendants. And then American military asked them, how did you come from the future to the past? They answered, we use offset spatial divergence technique. So now what is offset spatial divergence technique? Now let us know, is it possible to travel forward and backward in time? The time is really exist or else an illusion created by our brain? Is the time same for everyone and everywhere? Can we travel forward and backward in time? Before knowing this, we should know what is time and how it works. Do you know how time was invented? In olden days, during the initial stage of railway track construction, the time was only measured based on the sun. Still, they had many confusions. Then, they approached Einstein to clear all their confusions. Then, Einstein connected all the times from different locations through a telegraphic signal, and this technique is called clock synchronization. By using that, he gave standard time, which is called Greenwich Standard Time. Now, coming to the next question, is time same everywhere? To test this, an experiment was conducted in 1971 based on space and time theory proposed by Einstein. Atomic clock. It shows micromillisecond accuracy and taking two atomic clocks, one placing on the earth and another in the aeroplane. Then they traveled around the earth. Later, comparing both the clock in the aeroplane showed billionth of second more. Then they concluded that when we compare with another planet at a distance of 1 million light years away from our Earth, 1 year may be equal to 1 hour in that planet. The time will be slow at places where the gravitational force is strong. That is why the time in the atomic clock on the Earth moved slow when compared to atomic clock in the aeroplane. The gravitational force of single black hole is equal to the 1000 times of Earth's gravity. So let me elaborate with an example. When you're younger to your brother by 1 year, if you travel around the black hole for 1 year and come back to the earth, your brother's age might be increased by 8 times and your age will be just increased by 1 year. It means you traveled into the future. This is time travel. The time travel might be possible if we can manipulate black holes' energy. Similarly, if we want to travel into our past, we can use offset spatial divergence. If you remember in the beginning of the video, this is what Alien said during the interview. So this is the brief introduction for the time travel. Let us hope our scientists will invent the time travel and give us a great experience to travel into the future and the past. So here ends today's video. Thank you for everyone for spending their time in watching my video, and if you guys like my video, please subscribe it and like it. Signing off, fantastic broadcast, Chiranjeevi.